My name is Eric, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100, $200, even $300 a day using CPA marketing with free traffic. All this is 100% free, doesn't cost you anything, maybe just a little bit of your time. And you basically need three elements. And we're going to go over those three things that you need right now, okay? The first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need an account from CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a CPA marketing website. And basically what they do is they create offers for you to promote and have people sign up their email to get something, okay? Fairly simple. The very first step that we need is we need to sign up for an account at CPA Grip. Once we do that, we are going to need a brand new Gmail account. We're going to need this because we are going to send people to email us to get a list, right? What are they getting a list of? Well, they're going to get a list of houses in their area that they want to rent. It's coming around that time right now. School's getting ready to start back up. College kids are moving. Lots of families are moving, blah, blah, blah. We're going to compose a list of houses and rental properties that need to be rented. And what we're going to do is we're going to make posts similar to this post right here in Facebook that's going to give them a lead, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to, at the bottom here, we're going to say, contact us by email. And then we're going to set up an autoresponder so that when they actually email us, it automatically sends them a reply. All right. So let's get down to the nitty gritty, and I'm going to show you exactly how this looks. Okay. Very first step, like I said, is you're going to need to sign up for an account at CPA Grip. Once you do that, this is what your back office is going to look like. I'm not going to walk you through on how to sign up for an account with CPA Grip. That's going to be something for a different video. Okay. The thing that you need to click on is this monetization tools, right? And once you do that, it's going to be able to show you how to create a new URL file locker, right? So basically what we want them to do is when they click on a link in that email, it's going to take them to a landing page. And on that landing page, they are going to have to fill out a survey or download a video, right? Or download some kind of app or something along that lines. This is what it's going to look like, right? So they click on that link, and this is what it's going to take them to, right? So this just simply says homes for rent in Lorain County, Ohio. That's one of the suburbs that's close by me. And, you can model it basically after me. And it just says, welcome to our website. If you're looking for a place to rent, you have until August 11th, 2020 to verify that you're a human and not spam. All you have to do is participate in completing one of the offers below. After completion, we'll show you a list of places to rent in your area, right? They click here, and it's going to have them do some kind of survey or offer, right? Now, once you click on this right here, create a new file locker, it's going to take you to a setup that's pretty similar to this right here, right? And what you're going to end up doing is you're going to be editing this, right? And you need a template from CPA Grip templates right here. And you need this specific template right here because it actually has all the code and everything already simplified for you. All you got to do is cut and paste this code into this little file locker right here, right? So what you're going to do is it's going to have you get the HTML code as well as the CSS code. You're going to need both of them, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to HTML and you're going to copy that code right in there, right? And then same thing for style is the CSS code, and you're going to copy it in right here. And it's going to look pretty much like this. You're going to have to do some editing to be able to make it look like this in the HTML because it's going to give you like the t-shirt. Unfortunately, it's not. Oh, here it goes. It wasn't loading. It's going to give you what looks like the t-shirt. It's going to have an image of a t-shirt, and you're going to have to edit that so that it doesn't have a t-shirt. And it's really, really simple. All you have to do is right here where it says image, you're going to find an image on Google, and you're going to put the URL code to that image right there, right? Very simple. This image right here, I think, is a house from, I want to say it's one of the realtor sites. I'm not even 100% sure. And then this right here, homes for Lorain County, that's the H1 line. I edited that. It said something like t-shirt, something or another. This one, the website's just not loading on this for us. But it basically said t-shirt, win a t-shirt, and it had a picture of the t-shirt. So you're basically going to edit this to make it say what you want it to say, right? Once you've done this, you now have your completed landing page, right? So you are done with essentially step 1, right? Now we need to go on to step 2, right? Step 2 is you need to get your brand new Gmail account, and you're going to want it for something like renters of Lorain County, Lorain County. It doesn't have to be Lorain, your county / whatever. Something to do with renting in your county, right? And as you can see here, here's a bunch of leads for me trying this out before. It's been a minute since I tried it. What is it, July 28th? So it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I even tried this method. And basically my email, let's see if I can see it here. I think it was rent for you. Here we go, rent for you 2020. So you copy that, not that exact one, obviously you can't, but something along that lines, right? Okay, so once you have your brand new Gmail account, we need to set it to vacation mode, right? And what happens with these accounts in vacation mode is people go on vacation, obviously, and they don't want to be bothered by the email. So it sends them an automated email saying, hey, guess what? We're on vacation. We'll see you, in 2 weeks, right? So you're going to click the little cog here, and you're going to go to see all settings, right? And when you're on vacation, obviously you don't want to be bothered. And this is the same thing here. You can't be bothered to sit there and answer every single question that people have, right? So people are going to send you, is this house available? Is this blah, 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 blah. And basically what this responder is going to do is it's going to tell them, yes, the house is still available. We just need you to go through a verification process. Go ahead and click this link, right? And of course, this is all lagging up right now. So basically, once you're in vacation mode, you're going to give them this link right here, right? And you can get that link from right here. So this is the original file. The original file locker. And if you click get links right here, it pops up and gives you something to copy and paste, right? And once you copy and paste that, that's going to give you the link right here. And you're going to be able to post that into your autoresponder right there. You're going to be able to post that into your autoresponder, and you're going to be able to, man, this is really lagging. You're going to be able to direct people to go to your CPA website where they can then fill out the offer, and then you get paid, right? Now, when you fill out your vacation responder, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to not just give them the link, you're going to want to make a clickable link for them to be able to click on. Here we go. I'll be able to show you. You want them to have a clickable link that says verify now, and then that's going to send you to the link, right? So this is the vacation mode, and it says, hey, are you looking for a place to rent? Thank you for showing interest in one of our homes. Lucky for you, because we have so many to show you. Our records show that you haven't verified your identity yet. Please do so here. And then this is the link, and that link is going to send them to the CPA locker, right? And then once they fill out an offer, you get paid, right? And to show you, I don't know why this keeps scrolling up here. To show you, we'll right click on this. And there's that exact same link right here. And it says, once you're verified, you'll be able to view all the homes in your area. Enjoy your day. That's all you need. Now, everybody that emails, everybody that clicks this link is going to be taken to this right here, right? So, okay, so now we're on step 2. We've already got our CPA locker. We've got our Gmail account that is set up for auto-responding vacation mode. Now, how are we going to bring in the traffic? Well, this is where we go to groups, right? And you're going to basically want to search for garage sale, Lorain County, because that's the county that's close to me. But you're going to search your county. You're going to search buy, sell, trade, all of those groups. So I did this already. I have a whole list of groups that I'm a part of, right? So these are like local groups. Now, mind you, you can go to your local metropolitan area that's close by. That's probably a better, especially if you live in a rural area, because you'll get more leads, right? So this is just one of the groups that I'm a part of right here. And if you just hit this little search group and you type in rent or whatever, it's going to show you a ton of places that need to be rented, right? What you're going to do is you're going to collect every single house that says rent. You're going to collect the URL for that, right? And then you're going to put that into a Google spreadsheet. Same thing for Craigslist. You can go on the Craigslist and you can find a list of houses. Now, this is that mega list that people are going to get, right? So when you come over here to the file locker, right, and you do the list or whatever, this is the list that they're going to get. It's after the survey is locked here. See, this is the locked URL that they're trying to get a hold of. You're just going to put it into a Google document. Once they fill out the survey, fill out the offer, it's going to give them this list of houses for rent that you're compiled. Does that make sense now? So you're going to compile your list, and then you're going to make a post, right? You're going to make basically a post as if you are renting out that house, right? So you're just playing the middleman, right? So this is just an example. I typed in rent, and this was one of the ones that came up, right? So this is a 3-bed, 3-bath house in one of the local cities around me, right? And they're renting this out for $100 or $1,250 a month, right? So instead of $1,250, say you're renting this house out for, I don't know, $800 a month. Make it look like a steal, and you're going to get a ton of leads by doing that, right? What you're going to do is you're going to post in 10, 20, 30 of these groups, right? So make sure that you don't join these groups so quickly. You want to join, 4 or 5 groups a day. So at the end of the week, you'll have 20 or so groups. Then you can start making posts, right? And what's even better is if you make a second Facebook account, or if you have somebody like a wife, a girlfriend, or whatever, and you borrow their account and you add, not the same groups, but more, right? So that way you have 20 groups on their account, 20 groups, and then you can reach more people that way, right? So then you have